And the knife, please. Juan Gonzalez.
Juan, run. Juan, run. Run! He's taking your knife, your livelihood. Oh no! Whoa! Why is it that every time you have chicken at your house, it's disgusting? Why is every time there's chicken in this house, it is disgusting for some reason?
Cocaine.
It's stuck to the packaging. It's
Marcus Garabi. Purer?
Yeah, pure.
Okay, and then the speakeasies where some people could still drink for fun.
The problem was with prohibition.
It was just a
nobody
little
really liked
illegal.
it. It was
do it again.
alcohol, baby. Alcohol, baby.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Alcohol.
Do it again.
No! It was Jesus the one time.
It was Jesus the one time.
Yeah, we got it in one try, guys.
Now for our next ingredient, we have these utensils for the 19th Amendment and flappers. No longer were women just things of the past. And that really just changed the culture of urban areas, or rural areas, because they thought that urban areas were bad. No. You don't even have to edit all of this. Communism. Oh, I threw it way over there. No longer! Cole, please don't break anything in my kitchen. No! You have to eat that now! Boy! Start eating, boy!
No, don't slap. No!
Get him to the couch, He's been wounded.
Take him to the front yard.
Nah, come on, just get us. No. Alright. Why do you play so much? I don't play that much.
Not the Wii U.
No,